Hello again everybody, I am Jonesy21 Forever. Welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I am going to be showcasing Tegalalang rice terraces and Tegenungan Waterfall. Hopefully I've got those pronunciations correct. Anyway, whilst I have said in previous videos that Bali is my favourite place on earth, and it is, the rice terraces here are beautiful. They are probably my favourite place in Bali. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell as well. Enjoy the video. Okay everybody, now I don't want to talk too much through this video so that you can all appreciate the beauty of the pictures and videos that you're about to see. However, as mentioned, this video is about the rice terraces and the waterfall, so at the end I'll give you some information on how to book a lovely half-day tour that covers both of these sites and a couple of other places around the area. So just 20 to 30 minutes north of Ubud Palace lies one of Bali's most breathtaking landscapes, the Tegalalang rice terraces. This video will probably feel like I am spamming you, but I cannot do the natural beauty justice. There is a reason that this is my favourite place. As you can see, there are stairs and walks all over the place that you can do. And also the famous Bali swing is here as well if you want to try that out. We didn't actually do it on this trip, but we did do it when we returned a couple of years later. So keep an eye out for a future video on that. The terraces aren't just a pretty face. It is a living, working system. The locals use an ancient irrigation method called subak, which is a traditional Balinese water management system, which involves the closing and opening of the channels when needed with only mud, and using nearby rivers and streams to create that water flow into the area. Once the rice is ready to be harvested, the locals gather them into bundles and then they hang them to dry. Once they are dry enough, they are then beaten using a traditional wooden tool, and that helps separate the rice from the outer casing. And as you can see here, they have the rice bundled and drying. These iconic terraces are carved into the hillsides like a giant green staircase. The layers of bright green rice paddies catch the sunlight perfectly. It really is like nature decided to flex its design skills. Okay, so that was Tegalalang rice terraces, and now we're going to look at Tegenungan Waterfall. Again, if you wouldn't mind liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, I'd appreciate it. Enjoy. So as part of this half-day trip where we went to the rice terraces and the waterfall, we also asked our driver if he would take us to a coffee plantation. So here's a few pictures of the coffee plantation and also where the famous luwak coffee comes from, or cat poop coffee. The workers at the plantation like to joke that it's called a cat puccino. So just wanted to show everybody the website, balifulldaytour.com. This is where I booked a lot of my trips whilst I was over there, and also this is the landing page for the waterfall tour, which included the rice terraces. Hope this helps. Well, there we go. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, especially if you've made it this far. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And I hope you found the video informative and helpful, and I hope you visit these places because they generally are lovely. In my next video I will be doing about the monkey forest in Ubud, so please come back for that. I look forward to seeing you then. Take care.